Back again to Mami. The market price of a refrigerator is shillings 34,000. Kamau bought it on higher purchase terms, which is 30% more than the market price. He paid a deposit of shillings 16,000 plus e-commerce installments for 12 months. How much was this installment? So the monthly installment was shillings 34,000. The higher purchase was 30 more, so at 100% plus 30, 130%. The deposit was 16,000. Each monthly installment was for 12 months. 12 months. So here, what was each installment? So take total monthly installments over 12 months. So if you want to find total monthly installments, known as TMY, total monthly installments is equals higher purchase minus deposit, which is HP minus D, which is deposit. And here it says they are purchased, which is 30% more than the market price. So you see, so here it says the market price was shillings 34,000, come about it high purchase terms, which is 30% more than the market price. 100 plus 30 is more. If you see more plus the percentage plus 100%. So here it says the market price. The market price is was shillings 34,000. So you say if 100% is equal shillings 34,000, the market price, shillings 34,000 market price. What about 130%? Because here 100% plus 130% gives you 130%. So 130% because multiply here this, which will give you the higher purchase will be 44,200 shillings. The higher purchase 1,200. Let me again restart the review. The market price of the refrigerator is shillings 34,000. Kamau bought it on higher purchase terms, which is 30% more than the market price. Paid a deposit of shillings 60,000 plus equal monthly installments for shilling to 12 months. How much was each installment? The market price was shillings 34,000. The higher purchase was 30% more, so you plus 100 plus 30%, get 130%. The deposit was shillings 16,000. The each monthly installment was 12 months. And the question is, how much was each installment? So each installment is equal to the monthly installment over 12 months. Here there's no there's no total monthly installments, but there is month. The month is 12 months. So if you want to find the total monthly installments is equals higher purchase minus deposit, but there's no higher purchase. How do you get higher purchase? The questions here, the higher purchase terms, which is 30% more. So you say 100 if, let me tell you that. So you say if 100% is equal shillings 34,000, what about 130%? You know that the market price is always 100%. So you say if 100% is equal shillings 34,000, which is the market price, what about 130%? Let me show you how the market price is where it is. The market price is somewhere here. It is the 34,000. You say if 100% is equals 34,000, what about 130%? Now let me show you now that you have understand. So cost multiply, take 130% times shilling 34,000 market price over this 100%. This 0 will go with this 0, this 0 will go with this 0. If you times it will give you 44,200, which will be the higher purchase. So let's go back and find, because we have the higher purchase and we have the deposit. Let's rock and roll. So back and forth. So the total monthly installment is higher purchase and deposit. So you have the higher purchase, which is 44,200, minus the deposit, which is 16,000. So each monthly installment is equal to 42,000. Yeah, each monthly installment is equal to total monthly installments over 12 months. So total monthly installment is higher purchase minus deposit, and we have found that it is 42,000. It's 426,000. Now we are here. If you divide each monthly installment is equals to total monthly installment over 12 months. So we take the total monthly installment, which is 42,000, 426,000 over 12 months. You get so the answer is 3,550. Remember, it's each installment. It's 3,550. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.